Alright, boys. We'll do another little video here. Beta 3.03 Deus 2 HF2 Coil. Now, previous two videos, I'm going to be the target depth as far as coil to target is about the same. Except this time we're going to sweep this way. The nails turn the other way. See that half dime down there? See it? Alright. So you're going to get sort of opposite results here. This is what I mean about taking this coil into a site and trying to run it one way and deem it cleaned out. You can't do it, okay? This right here is going to prove it. All right, 29 kilohertz band. We'll look at 2.5 speed in all three of the bands. Okay, sensitive program, silencer 2, I'll dial the sensitivity to 93. Okay, so 29 kilohertz band. So you hear that half dime down there. That's not the nail you're hearing, okay? It's the half dime. 53 kilohertz band. Anywhere from 1, 2, 3, 5 inches coil height. We hear two-way signal. 89 kilohertz band. 1 inch. 2 inch, 3 inch, 4 inch, 5 inch. So we've got detection there, okay? Okay, now we're going to put the speed to 0.5. We'll work our way backwards here. 89 kilohertz, multi-frequency band, 0.5 for speed. So we've got detection, and I may sweep that nail solo in this 89 band here, okay? 53 kilohertz band. See what happens? Now we're down to a one-way signal. That's 2 inches, 3 inches, 4 inches, 5 inches. No signal. Back down to 1 inch. We get signal. 29 kilohertz band, speed 0.5, 1 inch. Notice, we're getting signal 2 inches, 3 inches, 4 inches. Remember that silver dime is more of a higher conductor. If we replace that with a gold ring down there, we might see some different results, right? All right. So you've seen how it worked by changing the speed and how different frequency bands responded to that silver dime. So here's the 89 kilohertz again at 0.5. Now we get some coil height, it turns into one-way signal. We got pretty good signal up there on that, okay? We're going to remove that half dime. You see it right there. It's gone. All right, let's sweep this machine away. It's currently set up 0.5, silencer 2, 89 frequency band. Now that's right on top of it. There's an inch over it. 2 inches, 3 inches, 4 inches, 5 inches. If I go down and scrub it, it's about an inch over it, what you just see me sweep that last. Okay, that's going to conclude this little part here. All right, so we've changed out the half dime for a 10-karat gold ring. It's down there below that nail, boys and girls, okay? I'll show it to you at the end here, this little clip. 29 kilohertz band, speed 0.5 from 1 inch. 2 inches, 3 inches, 4 inches. Okay? 53 kilohertz band, 0.5 reactivity, 1 inch. 2 inches, 3 inches, 4 inches, 5 inches. The 89 kilohertz band, 1 inch, 2 inches, 3 inches, 4 inches, 5 inches. Okay, we're going to change the speed. Here's speed 3. '89 kilohertz band, reactivity 3 from 1 inch, 2 inches, 3 inches, 4 inches, 5 inches. Now remember, that's a gold ring down there. Lower conductor, 53 kilohertz band, speed 3, reactivity 3, 1 inch, 2 inches, 3 inches, 4 inches, 5 inches. 29 kilohertz band, speed 3, 1 inch, 2 inches, 3 inches. See what happens? 4 inches, 5 inches. I'm going to keep sweeping that coil. Hear how weak that signal is? I'm going to change frequencies during this sweeping this right here. I just switched. You hear how strong that signal is in that 53 kilohertz band. Now, we go back to 29. Speed 2.5. That's a fast sweep across that from 2 inches. All right. 2.5 reactivity. 53 band. That's a fast sweep, 2 inches, but we've got one-way signal. 89 kilohertz, similar sweep, fast. Two-way signal, you hear that? More prone to give two-way signal on a fast sweep. Just something for you to keep in mind. You can sweep this machine fast, but you know, depending on how you have it set up and what you're after. Lower conductors, you could probably sweep this machine faster running 89 than you could 29. How about that? Okay. You see the gold ring there, okay? That's going to conclude this little series here.